Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another easy, straightforward and simple dish. We're going to do a honey mustard and crème fraîche baked chicken. I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. Okay, as normal, just a few ingredients. We've got some boneless thighs, chicken thighs, some baby new potatoes, garlic, salt and pepper obviously, some crème fraîche, some honey and some whole grain mustard. Nothing more straightforward than that. So let's get stuck in. So first thing we're going to do is crush some garlic into a bowl. In the meantime, if you have your oven on at 180 degrees, fan oven that is, two tablespoons of whole grain mustard. I'm nearly at the end of this jar, so what I'm going to do is pour in, and I missed this off the ingredients actually, some chicken stock. And what that's going to do is make it a bit easier for me to get it all off the sides. Pour that in. Didn't do a very good job there. Four tablespoons of crème fraîche, two tablespoons of honey, the rest of that chicken stock, about 150 ml. Touch of salt and pepper. Give that a little whisk, mix it well together. Don't think I've missed anything, so let's get the roasting tin. I've got the roasting tin here, I've got some asparagus. What I'm going to do is just cut up the asparagus, but I'm going to try and put the potatoes in and around the boneless chicken thighs. Should do. Let's cut up the asparagus. goes in. We're going to pour over the mixture. Pretty good. Little extra drizzle of oil. And that, my friends, is basically it. It now goes into the oven for 45 minutes or so till it's cooked. Just keep checking on it. And I'll see you in about 3/4 of an hour. So, there you go guys. What a easy, straightforward, one pot dish. Absolutely lovely. Can't wait to dig in. If you've tried it, let me know. I'd be interested to see how you get on. Obviously, like and consider subscribing. It is free, but what it does do is help the content on my channel. Crème fraîche, honey and mustard, baked chicken. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.